Good evening, Doak cooks, and happy New Year's Eve. We are doing an oldie but a goodie. We are making pigs in a blanket. It's not fancy. It's not wild and crazy. It's not complicated. It's not really hard, but it is a process that you have to follow steps. So I need to crack this open and rinse these off. I need to crack this open and then roll them out, and I need to take those triangles and make them smaller. And then we have to combine these two guys. Then we have to stick them on the pan over here, and we gotta bake them behind me. And I also have a crock pot over there because my wife had the smart idea for us to prepare them, keep them warm, so we can take them to our party. Because after all of this, we are going to party. Okay, let's get to it. Just pack up the rest. If you've got leftover little smokies, which I do, you just don't forget, mark the date, or else these will just go in the trash in a month and a half because they'll get stuck in the back of your fridge. I'm not going to freeze these because I still have some more dough in there, so I might make some more, but I'm not going to shoot a video of it. But I might make some more like later this week because we absolutely love these and we only eat them one time a year, and we're about to go to a party and these are all going to disappear. So we're keeping a couple back so I can make some for the family. And by the family, I mean myself and my wife. So, yeah. Okay, in the fridge these go. So why do I have a crock pot if I just made a bunch of pigs in a blanket? Well, because we're going to transport, and because my wife had a very smart idea for us to keep these guys warm. Now, we're not going very far, but to keep these guys warm, absolutely, let's put them inside the crock pot. We actually used a crock pot recently for another transport of food items, and we kept them all nice and warm, and they were delicious, and they stayed warm. And in years past, we have taken these pigs in a blanket and we have left them out. And 2 hours later, if there are any left, I mean, I'll eat them. And my buddies will eat them. But most people find meat being left out for hours a bit concerning. But let's be honest. I mean, yes, this does say beef. And yes, this is in fact meat. But as far as the quality is concerned, again, I'm not knocking the producer of these, but I am saying I've been eating these laying out for a couple hours without issue for years, so they must be very well preserved. All right, so one more batch to go. Put this guy back in. Let's keep these nice and toasty warm, and then we will go off to our party. Again, everyone have a wonderful, safe, healthy, happy new year. Be good out there tonight, everybody. Thanks so much for hanging out with me for this past year. Let's see what we're doing in 2025. Thanks, everybody. See you guys next year.
I got a broken fish.